coming soon. I've spent the last several months writing what I believe is one of the most comprehensive course workbook on candle making, with a twist. This workbook is specifically about making luxury candles. It is a 143-page, full-color physical workbook that will be delivered right to your front door. It also comes with a companion video series, so you can read the material, watch me explain it, and then apply it to your own candles. The course is called Making Luxury Candles from the Inside Out, a complete workbook for the serious candle maker. I created it because buyers of my book, The Candle Artist Way, kept asking for specific information on ingredients and the process for making luxury candles on the inside. You have shared with me your beautiful sublimated and engraved vessels. You have mastered your packaging, but my readers tell me you struggle with making the inside of your candle. Specifically, making the inside of your candle luxurious. Talking to my readers, I realized something. You cannot create a truly luxury candle by focusing only on how it looks. The inside has to be just as intentional as the outside. That means choosing your wax, choosing your fragrance, choosing your wick, and knowing how those three things work together. I'm not talking about simply making a candle that burns. Most candle makers can do that. I'm talking about creating a candle that burns beautifully, smells refined, and gives your customer an experience that feels completely different from an ordinary candle. That is what I have spent the last several months writing about. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to share some of the biggest lessons from the workbook and course. I will show you what really separates a regular candle from a luxury candle. I cannot wait for you to get your hands on this course. Next week, we're going to talk about wax and why the wax everyone recommends may not be the right wax for your luxury candle. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.